Jesus freak here. Now, I've sometimes thought of putting up a website specifically for the Jesus freak stuff, but it's not like I haven't tried doing that before, and I'm not good at this. I mean, building a website for something, it's not that I can't do it. The problem is that with something like this, I've often run on, you know, pure stream of consciousness. And that's very quickly going to deteriorate into chaos. And that's why my previous attempt at such a site is kind of, you know. And I thought about, I have a site for something else that's built up with movable type and discus. This is a good combination. It's solid, it's pretty secure, but setting it up is a pain in the neck. And although a friend of mine was able to do it for me once, I can set up movable type. Getting discus to work with it, that's another matter entirely. Of course, I could always do what I usually do, and it's, just flat files. But that very quickly becomes unmanageable because that kind of structure doesn't really go well with the way I think. Just like when I do my videos, I just turn on the camera and just, let my mouth run. When I start writing a website, I just open the text editor and start typing. When I start, writing software, I open the same program, start typing. And every so often I save and then run. You know what they say now, when all you got's a hammer, everything looks like a nail. Yeah, it's me. And I rate my websites like it was still 1996 when I, first started. But, I at least put a skeleton up there, linked in a Bible, which of course I did the page design, though, like I said, it's really old fashioned. Well, maybe that's a good thing. It's a King James Bible, old fashioned website design for an old fashioned text. But, and I linked over here. But, I got a lot of works in progress. And, just have to follow my inspiration wherever it goes or wherever it doesn't go. And it's not like I can't do web design. But design is one thing and content's another. I've always been terrible with creating content. Honestly, the easiest way for me to get things out is to, start recording and let my mouth run. And I know it's less than ideal. It certainly doesn't make for a good website. But I just figured, I've had harder to remember website addresses before by which metric, the domain that I just got is a piece of cake to remember. Now, there's not really anything there, like I said, but it's up. It's running at a basic level. It's fnjesusfreak.com. Like I said, still working on it. See what I do with it. Jesus Freak out.